Welcome to Santi Metal Shop, the home of traditional Indian kitchen essentials. Today, we are bringing you an exclusive look inside our inventory, where we store authentic handmade iron kitchen tools that have been trusted for generations. We take great pride in delivering high-quality, long-lasting kitchen tools from iron kadais and dosa tawas to vegetable cutters and coconut graters. And today, we have something special to unpack: our 2-in-1 traditional iron vegetable cutter chopper grater. Here's the fresh stock of our traditional iron vegetable cutter chopper grater. This is a must-have in every Indian kitchen. Unlike modern plastic slices, this iron-based tool is built to last a lifetime. It doesn't just cut vegetables, it's designed for effortless slicing, chopping, and coconut grating with a firm grip and strong base. Now, let's unpack and take a closer look. Inside this sack, we have a bulk stock of the 2-in-1 traditional iron vegetable cutter chopper grater. Each piece is handcrafted with precision and durability in mind. Why choose a traditional iron vegetable cutter chopper grater? Stronger and more durable. Unlike wooden cutters, these won't break or wear out over time. Termite-free and rust-resistant, no worries about damage like wooden versions. Multi-purpose, slice vegetables, cut fruits, and grate fresh coconut all with a single tool. Here it is, the 2-in-1 traditional iron vegetable cutter chopper grater. Notice the strong iron base, the sharp curved blade, and the coconut grater attachment at the end. This model is expertly welded for extra stability, allowing you to use it in two ways. Sitting on the floor for traditional use. Placing it on a kitchen countertop for a comfortable standing position. And thanks to the extended base design, it can be securely held in place when placed on a kadappa or granite countertop. No slipping, no movement, just easy cutting and grating. Now, let's arrange these beauties on our rack. Each piece is hand-checked for quality before being shipped. At Santi Metal Shop, we ensure that every customer gets the best handmade kitchen tools at affordable prices. If you are looking for a traditional, durable vegetable cutter chopper grater, look no further. Ready to order? Visit santimetalshop.in for exclusive deals and fast shipping across India. Want to see it in action? Look at how effortlessly this cutter slices vegetables, even hard ones like pumpkin, yam, and raw banana. And when it comes to grating fresh coconut, it's faster and more efficient than modern electric graters. Many professional chefs and homemakers still prefer this traditional tool because it gives better control and cleaner cuts. Plus, it retains the original taste and nutrients of vegetables. Taking care of your traditional iron vegetable cutter chopper grater is simple. Cleaning: wash it with mild soap and dry it completely to prevent rust. Sharpening: use a sharpening stone or iron file if needed. Storage: keep it in a dry place, and it will last for decades. With the right care, this tool can outlast modern plastic slices and electric graters. Now, let's take a look at a special variation, the Murukka traditional iron vegetable cutter chopper grater. This one is truly unique. Unlike the first model, which has a welded joint, this one is crafted from a single piece of iron, with the base and blade formed by twisting the iron rod itself. What makes this model special? No joints equals extra durability. It's a single solid piece, so it lasts longer with no risk of breaking. Stronger blade: since there are no weak welding points, it stays sharp and firm for years. Perfect for heavy use, ideal for cutting tougher vegetables like jackfruit, yam, and ash gourd. Look at the craftsmanship. This is a pure hand-forged iron tool. This kind of quality is rare to find in today's market. It's strong, sharp, and perfect for daily use in traditional Indian cooking. So, that's a wrap. We've unpacked, checked, and displayed the best traditional vegetable cutters for your kitchen. Looking for an authentic, high-quality cutter chopper grater? Visit santimetalshop.in and grab yours now. We ship all over India with fast and secure delivery. Have you used this before? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more traditional kitchen tools and amazing deals. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!